Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a complete review of the Massey Ferguson MF 385 Deluxe 4-wheel drive, 85 horsepower, 2026 model, manufactured by Millat Tractors Pakistan. This video is made especially for those customers who want to clearly understand what is new in the 2026 Deluxe model, what features Millat has added, and whether this tractor is worth buying compared to older models. There's a lot of confusion in the market. Some people say nothing has changed. Some people say prices increased without reason. And some people are spreading wrong information without proper knowledge. So in this video, I will explain everything in simple words, based on actual factory updates, not rumors. First of all, let me make one thing very clear. This tractor is not the standard MF 385. This is the MF 385 Deluxe 4-wheel drive, which means it comes with additional factory-installed features that are not available in the basic version. The MF 385 Deluxe 4-wheel drive is an 85 horsepower tractor, widely used for heavy agricultural work, such as plowing, disc harrowing, rotavator operation, ridging, and heavy trailer haulage. Because of its strength and durability, this model is also extremely popular in export markets, especially in Africa and the Middle East. Now let's talk about what Millat has added in the 2026 Deluxe model. One of the most noticeable upgrades is in the tires. The 2026 Deluxe model comes with bigger and heavier front tires. These tires improve steering control, stability, and balance, especially when working on rough land or when using heavy front-mounted implements. At the rear, Millat has installed heavy-duty 18-ply tires. These rear tires provide better grip, longer life, and stronger traction in muddy fields and dry, hard soil. This upgrade is extremely important for farmers who work long hours and need durability. Another major improvement is the addition of rear wheel weights. These weights help in improving overall tractor balance. When you use heavy implements like disc plows, disc harrows, or hydraulic tipping trailers, wheel weights reduce wheel slip and improve pulling power. Many farmers underestimate the importance of wheel weights, but in real field conditions, this feature makes a very big difference. The tractor feels more stable, more controlled, and more powerful. Now let us talk about the hydraulic system, which is one of the most important parts of any tractor. In the MF 385 Deluxe 2026 model, Millat has improved the lift capacity and added a lift assister. This helps in lifting heavy implements smoothly without putting unnecessary stress on the hydraulic system. If you're using large implements or working in tough soil conditions, this improved hydraulic performance will save time, reduce wear, and increase efficiency. Now, coming to operator comfort, which is very important for long working hours. Millat has redesigned the operator area to be more spacious. The transmission cover design is improved, which gives better leg space and easier movement. The seat position is comfortable, and the overall layout is more operator-friendly compared to older models. These improvements reduce operator fatigue, especially for farmers who work full days in the field. Another very important improvement in the Massey Ferguson MF 385 Deluxe 4-wheel drive 2026 model is related to engine cooling and temperature control. Millat has upgraded the coolant system to perform better in extreme heat as well as cold weather conditions. This improvement helps the engine maintain a stable operating temperature, whether the tractor is working in hot summer fields, long hauling hours, or in cold regions during early mornings and winter seasons. A better coolant circulation system reduces the risk of overheating, protects internal engine components, and increases overall engine life. This is especially important for farmers who work continuously for long hours or operate the tractor in high-temperature environments, such as dry areas and export markets with hot climates. Another important part of the Deluxe model is the addition of daily use convenience features. The 2026 Deluxe model includes a mobile charging port, which is extremely useful in modern farming. It also comes with a maintenance-free battery, which reduces daily upkeep and improves reliability. A magnetic drain plug is added, which helps in collecting metal particles and protecting the engine. A rear-view mirror is included for better visibility and safety. And of course, a sun canopy is installed, which protects the operator from heat during long working hours. The new Massey Ferguson MF 385 4WD Deluxe is now equipped with an advanced digital instrument panel. It provides clear real-time information for better monitoring and smoother operation. Currently available exclusively in the four-wheel drive models, this smart digital panel will soon be introduced in other Massey Ferguson models as well. These features may look small, but they add a lot of real value in daily use. Now let us talk about clutch and durability. The MF 385 Deluxe 2026 model uses a durable damper clutch plate. This improves smooth power transmission, increases clutch life, and performs better under heavy load conditions. This is especially important for farmers who use trailers or work in commercial farming, where the tractor is under continuous stress. In terms of build quality, the MF 385 Deluxe remains a strong and reliable tractor. Millat has focused on durability rather than unnecessary cosmetic changes. The tractor is designed to work in real farming conditions, not just for showroom display. Now let us discuss export and real-world usage. This tractor is widely exported and used in international markets. You will often see MF 385 Deluxe tractors being fully wrapped and packed for export, loaded into containers, and shipped worldwide. Export buyers prefer the Deluxe model because it comes with factory-installed features, not aftermarket modifications. This ensures better reliability and resale value. Many customers ask about price increase in the 2026 model. The price increase is not without reason. Better tires, wheel weights, improved hydraulics, comfort features, and durability upgrades all add cost. So the increase reflects real value addition, not just branding. Now my honest advice to customers. If you're planning to buy a tractor for long-term use, heavy farming, or export purposes, and you want better stability, comfort, and performance, then the MF 385 Deluxe four-wheel drive 2026 model is a very strong option. Always make sure you buy genuine tractors. Avoid cheap modified or copy tractors, because they may look attractive initially but cause heavy losses later. The MF 385 Deluxe four-wheel drive remains one of the most trusted tractors due to its parts availability, strong resale value, and proven performance. I hope this detailed review helped you understand what is new and what is improved in the 2026 Massey Ferguson MF 385 Deluxe four-wheel drive. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with others who are confused about new tractor models. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.